Hi, this is Ron Janish, and we're going to talk about a signal that I'm calling the waterfall signal for the sake of labeling it something to kind of describe what I'm looking for in the way of a signal. Okay, so what happened was, this is a wheat chart, real simple. A while back, I went short a whole bunch of contracts. Is that wheat? Huh. Yeah, was short a whole bunch of contracts over here and over here somewhere. And then what happened was there was what I call a second chance entry. There's another video that talks about the second chance entry. Okay. And so there was another second chance entry, and then down we went into a very nice waterfall. Okay. Now, as I said in the other video, when you have a waterfall pattern, if you're in the expanded course, I'll let you know when I see one. And so let's say, give you an example, as price went up here, there's a daily chart. I wound up drawing this chart and I sent something out to the group. This to me is like wonderful, real obvious. The thing is that, yeah, even when you find really good looking stuff like this, it still has a lot of risk. So to kind of hone in that risk, there's a thing I have called the waterfall. Well, first I have my initial signal, which is a short over here. And this is not a ton of money between here and here. Okay. This is a few $100s. So what happened, when price went above here, okay, it went into what I call waterfall territory. Now, at this point, this is an hourly chart. It just spent effectively nearly 3 hours going up really strong in this 1 hour pattern. And so this was the effectively invisible waterfall top, if there's going to be a good waterfall like here, right? So as I started to notice this, I decided to put this into the expanded course as an added feature. Here's what it is. We have the regular advanced course and we have the expanded course. The expanded course is fairly pricey. Okay, if you think the advanced course is pricey, I ain't seen nothing yet. So the expanded course is fairly pricey, but I really want to give people who are in the expanded course some instant value in terms of being able to look over my shoulder and see what I'm doing. And so what I mentioned in the last several emails, was that I'm going to be giving this information out to the people who have taken the expanded course. And we did one today. I'm going to show you what it was, and I'll show you how things worked. And so anyway, the name of the game is to get this here. Now, here's the catch. Okay. What I do is I give out, hey, I'm going to show you. I kind of tell you that, hey, look, we're in the window, and what I'm thinking it's going to do and stuff like that on a very short-term basis. So I'm at this point here, I might be saying, gee, I'm looking for this one to go down for a waterfall. Okay. And as you can see, I obviously hung on to my shorts in this thing. But here's the other catch, is that you've got to decide where you get in, if you make the trade, and where you get out. And that's where I want you to use your expanded course and advanced course skills that you've developed over time. Okay, so let's just go to one that I'm in right now. Okay, so this morning, so last night we had this much data. Okay, let me move this thing here. So last night we had this much data, and I send out an email to the guys saying, hey, look, price goes above here, we're in waterfall territory. Now, what I mean by that is obviously I was short, and so I'm looking for this to give me another opportunity to sell. Okay, with tight risk. Okay, so sure enough, price went up, and you can see that this was like a 10-hour period. This went up here at what, 4 p.m. yesterday, and today in the morning it didn't reach it until 5 a.m. So it was effectively 12 hours in this case. Okay, so let's take a look at exactly what I sent out, so you have an idea. So early this morning at around 4:46 here, according to my email here, the group got an email. Hey, the only one that my focus is on is 6A, which is the Australian dollar versus US dollar. It will either fail or send a second chance to enter short. And then about 45 minutes later, let the group know, looks like the move down has begun. So, with so we can see right here, so right around here, I wound up doing the sell, okay, of an additional position. I already had one short on. And in this account here, mind you, I have other accounts. This is something I show for charts, and it's really nice, and it's TD Ameritrade. Anyway, so at this point here, I have another position on, and the theory is that it's going to be low risk and it's going to be a waterfall situation. So how far am I looking for this to go? Well, I think you'll have a good waterfall by Monday or Tuesday. Today is Friday, okay, and it's like 7:30 in the morning right now. So this is the waterfall signal. Now the waterfall signal, remember, it could be an up signal, right? So the waterfall signal will occur probably on average of let's say 5-6 times a month. That's my guess. Okay, I could be wrong. We've had 2 this week. Okay, so for all I know, it could be 10. But whatever it is, sometimes it happens overnight. And I'm not going to sit up all night long to deal with that. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait until the morning. Like I got up somewhere around here, and just wait until the morning, and then let those of you that are in the expanded course know about this. Now, here's the good news. If you're not in the expanded course, but you are in the Precision Trader group, which is a free email group, what you can do is you can see these signals every once in a while in real time. You'll get the exact same email that I sent out to the expanded course members. But you won't get all of them. Okay. And you've really got to be able to use your skill to determine if you want to take the trade, where you want to enter, and where you want to exit, and all that kind of stuff. Okay. So that's the deal on the waterfall. Okay. So I thank you for your time and see you next time.